Hi everyone, make sure you hit that subscribe and stay tuned for my new video.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I came back just to do this half up, half down look that is so popular right now. And okay, I have a lot of feelings, so let's get to it, right? So here's the thing, right, you guys. It comes in a package and it has this with it. I got it from glamourtress.com, and it is a half wig and a half pony wrap fan. You can wear it different ways, and I got it in a 1B. So let me tell you what I think of it, okay? So, although it looks pretty, sorry you guys, my eyelash. Even though it looks pretty on other people, and even though it was popular on YouTube, and and everyone looked so fabulous in it, right? It made me go out and buy it. I, per se, don't like it because it was very hard to maneuver. So I have short hair, so it was very hard to maneuver. The top part, okay. The bottom wasn't long enough to reach to either side. Mind you, the top has a comb in it and you wrap it around and that's good. But the bottom has two combs on the top and a comb on the bottom, so it doesn't have combs on the side to attach to the side. So unless you have really, really long hair, I don't know, unless you're like hair challenged like I am, I couldn't get it to work. So although I like the half wig, I per se would not wear it again because I couldn't maneuver it. So that's my review on this hair, and I thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.